for what exactly?
At least a couple of years.
I mean, what exactly have you been waiting on?
For you to sit in my truck.
Awesome, man.
For you to get a demo in my truck.
My pleasure, man. Sounds great so far.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful install as well.
I appreciate it.
Coming down your block, knocking pictures off the walls. So on Front Street, rhyme bagging bitches out the mall on the giant high. Just like Gucci Mane, I'm riding giant fly. You should see they head turn when I ride flying by.
It's all right.
Let's listen to it, man. I'll get in there. Beautiful truck, man.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Let me get a demo for me real quick. Shut the doors, leave them open.
You're going to be in the hot seat.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Awesome, man.
You had no idea.
Waiting for what exactly?
At least a couple of years.
I mean, what exactly have you been waiting on?
For you to sit in my truck.
Awesome, man.
For you to get a demo in my truck.
My pleasure, man. Sounds great so far.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful install as well.
I appreciate it. Jack Stereo in Tyler, Texas.
Awesome.
Did it. JP.
Nice. Cool deal. There we go. That's another one of my favorites. Thing's getting down, man.
What do
Gave
you
me
think?
goosebumps, man.
What do you think?
I like it. That's awesome. Man, anytime a Bill gives me goosebumps, I'm doing something nice, man.
Heck yeah.
That's awesome, man. I need a nickname on base bumps.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, well, this is the name. Look, this is the name of the truck's Big Herd.
Alright, that's what I'm gonna put it up on YouTube, man.
Oh, killer!
Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
JP. I
Thanks for the
appreciate
demo,
you.
man. Woo, he's getting it.
I was telling her I always see you on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
On all your
You watch me
videos.
on YouTube. Now you're gonna be on there, man.
That's cool.
Want to say something? Give yourself a shout out or something? What's your name?
Just Mario Chagoya. Just say what's up.
Where you
to the
from?
man. I live next to Lubbock.
Cool, man.
Yeah, I just came to check it out. Seen you in there, like, hey, there's that dude right there.
Awesome. I appreciate you watching, man. Thank you.
All right, so what was your name again?
Luke Phillips.
Luke Phillips. They said he's pretty excited about me getting to listen to his stuff because a lot of times I come to shows and I'm so caught up in demoing my Tahoe, I don't get a lot of time to get other people's demos of other people's rides, such as Luke's. But today I didn't have my Tahoe here, so I'm doing my best to get out and get in people's vehicles like his. And was super impressed with it. But he said he was glad that I was able to come and get a demo. He said he's been waiting for a minute for me to come listen to his stuff.
Several years.
Several years. Been watching the
sir.
videos for a while.
Yes, sir, I have. Many years.
Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate it.
I enjoy everything that you do on YouTube. It's awesome.
Thank you, man.
It gives me such incentive.
Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate it. That's one of my ultimate goals, is to inspire people to not only be better in car audio, but just in life in general.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I notice that I'm impacting one person, I know my mission is starting to get completed. So we'll keep working at it. But I appreciate you checking it out, man, and I appreciate you giving me a demo of your ride, man. It was awesome.
It's a dream come true.
Awesome, man. Thank you, man.
Thank you.